Hello students, I am Shiv Prasad. Welcome in math class. Students, today we are going to study maths chapter 2 linear equation in one variable exercise 2.4. Students, we have already solved question number 1 to 4. Now we are going to solve question number 5. Question number 5 has given Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present age? Now see the solution of question number 5. Solution of question number 5. Let Shobo's present age be x. Therefore, Shobo's mother's present age is equal to 6x. After 5 years, Shobo's age is equal to x plus 5 years. According to question, after 5 years, Shobo's age is 1/3. After 5 years, Shobo's age will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So, we can write x plus 5 is equal to 1/3 into 6x. Okay, now 3 2 is 6, so x minus 2x, transpose 2x to left hand side, so minus 2x, x minus 2x is equal to minus 5, x minus 2x is equal to minus x is equal to minus 5, minus minus cancel, x is equal to 5. Therefore, Shobo's present age is equal to x is equal to 5 years and Shobo's mother's age is equal to 6x. Now put the value of x. 6 into 5 is equal to 30 years. Okay. Next, question number 6 has given there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4 at the rate ₹100 per meter. It will cost the village panchayat ₹75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Now see the solution of question number 6. Solution of question number 6. Let the length of plot be 11x and breadth is equal to 4x. According to question, perimeter of plot is equal to cost of fencing upon rate per meter. We know that perimeter of plot is equal to 2l plus b. It is the formula is equal to cost of fencing has given 75,000 and rate per meter 100. Okay. Now 2l plus b, 211x plus 4x is equal to 750. Okay. Now divide by 2 in both sides. 11x plus 4x is equal to 750 upon 2. Okay, when we divide by 2, then we get 11x plus 4x is equal to 750 upon 2. 11 4 15x is equal to 375. 750 divided by 2, 375. Therefore, x is equal to 375 upon 15. 15 25 ja 375. So, x is equal to 25. So, length of plot is equal to 11x is equal to 11 into 25. 25. Now, put the value of x 25. So, 11 into 25 is equal to 275 meter. And breadth of plot is equal to 4x. Now, put the value of x. 4 into 25 is equal to 100 meter. Okay. Next question, question number 7 has given Hussain buys two kinds of cloth material for school uniforms. Shirt material that cost him ₹50 per meter and trouser material that cost him ₹90 per meter. For every 3 meter of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of trouser material. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is ₹36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? Okay, now see the solution of question number 7. Solution of question number 7. Let the length of cloth for every shirt and trouser be 3x and 2x. Cloth for shirt 3x and cloth for trouser 2x. According to question, selling total selling price of cloth, selling price of total cloth is equal to 36,600. Students, we know that selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Okay, so we can write 3x into 50. 3x is the length of every shirt and rate per meter of shirt clothes is equal to 50. So to find the cost of clothes, we have to multiply 3x into 50, okay, plus profit 12% of cost price. Similarly, cost price of trouser cloth 2x into 90. 2x is the length of every trouser cloth, and 90 is the rate of trouser cloth, and 2x into 90 into 10%, it is a profit on trouser cloth, okay, is equal to total selling price 36,600. okay, cost price plus profit is equal to selling price of shirt cloth. Similarly, cost price plus profit is equal to selling price of trouser cloth, and it is the total selling price of shirt cloth and trouser cloth. Okay, now 53 ja 150x plus 53 ja 150x into 12% means 12 by 100 plus 92 ja 180x plus 92 ja 180x into 10% means 10 by 100 is equal to 36,600. Now 0 0 cancel, 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12. So 150x plus 6 3 ja 18. Okay, 6 3 ja 18x means 150 plus 18 is equal to 168x plus 0 0 0 0 means 180x plus 18x is equal to 198x is equal to 36,600. okay, 168x plus 198x is equal to 366x is equal to 36,600. so x is equal to 36,600 upon 366. 366 1 ja 366. now 0 0. so x is equal to 100. so Hussain bought trouser material is equal to 2x is equal to 2 into 100. put the value of x. X is equal to 100. 2 into 100 is equal to 200 meter. Okay, it is the answer. Okay, thanks.